Auntie, I understand that, but at the end of the day, right? I know everything me agree to, right? But suppose they want to do it, can I force them? You're here and you're talking about Shannel. Don't nobody no force Shannel in our bed doing a threesome. Nobody no force Shannel kissing TT. Nobody force Shannel in a three-way relationship. She are the person who do it, right? She have a mind of her own. Shannel bright. Shannel have a
Yeah,
lot
but
of
yeah,
well, I know
but
Shannel
as a
have her subject at the end of the day. Now, if she choose to have this relationship or to have fun, how a blame go upon me because me
you
I gonna make a
accept it,
decision for
you
myself.
accept it.
Miss Chloe.
But
It's
she
not
accept it as
Poland.
well.
But you as a mother, you're a grown
Them
woman. My
best
uncle
topic.
2 years older than you. Come here, listen. You're a Poland. You're Poland.
All right, baby girl, me I go
So
and come carry
you
my
would have feel
son.
Right.
comfortable for Mika Boo accept somebody else to do threesome and them
Mika Boo
something
is
there?
gonna live her life. Mika Boo is gonna live her life. If Mika Boo come and say, Mommy, I like girls, I can't say nothing about it. If Mika Boo come and say, Mommy, this is what I'm choosing in my life, I cannot say nothing about it. Mommy, I go do me, I go support her, I still I go love her. Right? But at the end of the day, Jaga is my son. Jaga is my son. I give Jaga advice. I advise my son. No, Shannel is the daughter-in-law. I tell Shannel the truth right in front of her face. And that's the reason why me and Shannel cannot agree. Because at the end of the day, Mrs. Shannel accepts certain things where me wouldn't accept. And the day name day, Mrs. Shannel turn off your own self. And the day name day, me can give her the respect where she deserve. Everybody hear me cuss her on social media. The full reason why I continue argue with her, I realize what she accept. The things and what she would have
Understand that, Annie, but at the end of the day, you entertain TT.
Them best topic. Can I say something that Annie is basically trying to say? Your question that you came up and asked is why I do ask her if she was in Chanel position, what would she do? Annie's trying to tell you that she would have never been in Chanel position because she loved herself too much to be staying with a man that have a side chick. In other words, and at this point here, I'm going to be honest. I understand what you're trying to say to her, but you kind of keep be prolonging this here. It sounds like an argument where you're trying to piss her off, and I don't
Oh no,
appreciate
I'm
that
not
at this
arguing.
point.
I'm not even at internet. I don't even
Yeah,
like the
but
internet like that.
are
It's
you
just
listening
to
to what
open
she's
the floor
saying?
today.
Are you listening to what she's saying? She just told you that they're adults. She can only advise them this much, and and he basically told you everything at this point. I don't understand what more you're trying to say.
all right, let me add something, right? All right.
All
Look,
right.
you
All
can't
right.
take me
Again,
down
hold
because
on, hold
me
on.
not
More
to
you
do the
remember, I want it.
back and forth, you
Hold on,
know.
baby. Hold on, sweetheart. Come on now. I like the conversation.
Okay. Okay.
Again, I understand what Duke is saying. It's not an argument. You have a right and a something
I'm
like
not arguing, Annie. I don't do
no, baby,
arguments.
listen, auntie, please. You have a right to your own opinion, right? You watch everything. So you're coming up here, you ask a question, right? May I give
Right.
you my honest answer about this, right? The thing is this, as women said, Jaga is my son. So me I go advise my son. But because she's my daughter-in-law, me do love her, but me want to see she stand up for herself. Again, members Shannel have her own mind, right? Our own brains. You understand me if you do what you want to do. The end of the day, me never agree with a lot of things when me see coming. But the
Right.
end, watch what me do. Me take TT and me advise TT. And right now, me and he make TT left Jagger. But nobody now look on that. You understand me? Me
Right.
sit down and live in a TT ears. I make TT understand. Say, listen to me. What you are do is not right. Channel now go left for a man, you know. I mean, I make sure you know, say, listen to me, you are lower your standard, look a girl. So move
Right.
on. All right, now, TT, move on in a some sort of way. I love that. But TT is still around me. And the thing is this, I'm not going to let go TT if she don't want to go. And that's why a lot of you people out there don't understand. I have some type of love for TT. I swear to you. And even if she choose to walk away tomorrow, that's okay. But me not going to run her.
Okay.
Yes, sweetheart. You can ask more questions.
No, that's all me just ask because like I said before, I don't do social media too much, but I love you guys and I watch you guys for entertainment. But
Yeah,
I get frustrated when me see the TT and the Shannel, and I always say it's wrong on so many levels because I have 4 kids. I have 2 boys and 2 girls. My oldest son is going to be 24 next month, and he has a baby mother as well. Yeah, and when me see him bring around him side piece them, I don't say anything because I don't want to embarrass him. But as soon as them left, me dark him up. Then can't come back. As me done, the baby mother is there already. Me and the baby mother don't get along because she disrespectful, she not no manners. But at the end of the day, that's my granddaughter mother. So she go get the respect what she deserves. So when the side piece them come around, me not embarrass him, yeah? But you
Yeah,
see when time them gone, me
yeah,
dog him up. That's
yeah,
just
that's true.
me,
That's true.
principle. You
But
understand?
yeah, watch this now, Queen. You see, when it start out real bad, you know. You want me to tell you how it start out, and we not really did want to talk about it, but let me give you one little piece. It started out when time TT go do the pregnancy test and try if make everyone away feel say it was
She
Jagger
pregnant?
get her pregnant.
Right.
TT, right? All right. So watch this now. When time everything happened, I was so angry, even off camera. It's like me, I cuss TT, me, I cuss my son, me, I argue with Shannel. 3 way, me continue to argue with them until everything worked out where we started to do skits together. Shannel started to be with our man. We started to make sure we entertain the crowd because the crowd love we. So it turned out to
Right.
be a work. You understand? I'm going to leave it as here.
Understand. You understand? All
Yeah.
right, big up yourself. You know, as parents, me and mother myself. Mommy, that's you. I saw your cuckoo when you come on to your kids them. So when I see you react to your pitting them and I cuss me, I just on low girl alone. Yeah, because as parents, when it come on to a belly pain, we not have no sense.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
We not have no we not we loony when it come on
Yeah, it
to
plug out when it come to that
yeah,
part.
but me not accept certain things in my house with my kids them. No, me not accept it. No go about on the business, me not accept it. And what me not do, me not try to be friend with my son, woman them. I feel woman them, me not try to be friend with them. You understand? Me not uphold to the slackness. But go and big up yourself. Do okay
Yeah,
can
big
take
up
me down.
yourself, you know.
Enjoy
We
the
get
rest of
it.
the day.
Yeah.
Everybody
Yeah.
also are gonna be different.
True that, true that.
All right, baby. Have a good morning.
Alright, you
morning.
too.
Hi, sweetie. Morning.
Good morning. How are you? Queen here from Grenada.
Hi, baby.
Ma'am,
Queen,
what's going on? I'm good. I'm good. So I have 3 questions for you. First
Yeah.
of all, my first question for you is when are you opening the restaurant?
Pause your mic, please.
When are you opening the restaurant?
All right. So the restaurant for right now, it's gonna be on a little bit of pause because I want to be on this side to be around my daughter. You understand? I'm able to try for over 2 weeks, in our hold. You understand? Me create a bond between me and Anna. So me I go put that on pause, stay on center and side to, focus on my house.
Okay. Number 2, where do you see yourself as a mother, a female, in the next year or two?
Okay. I see myself definitely, relaxing at my house. Traveling because I love to travel, and yes, definitely have my own business.
Okay. And number 3, going forward, where do you see your kids, like especially for Zoe and Mika, like for school wise and everything else? Because we know the internet is bashing them, but
Yeah,
I know because you used to speak to me
yeah,
personally
yeah,
that you love your kids and you'll go all out for your kids. So
yeah.
where do you see them, especially for Zoe? Zoe is young. So for me, I would like to see Zoe go back to school in September, even if I can help you for her to go
No,
back to
no,
school.
no, no, no. We don't need any help. The thing is this, everybody want to choose for me because you guys see me on the internet. No, we don't need any help. The end of the day,
Okay.
Zoe is going to be in either private school, and to how we make this decision, she's not going to be in public school.
Okay,
She's
that's
going to be in
nice.
private school coming September. But for right now, what Zoe was doing online class. And I think we're glad enough what she do, she could have get the time to put herself together The trauma where she go through being gang at school, being out there because we're on the internet, it's very much hard for Zoe. So make sure take a break and being here doing the online class. You understand me? It worked good for her. Right? Coming September, Zoe's gonna be out there, but we're still not gonna put her in public school. Zoe's gonna be in private school. You understand me? So she can continue
Yeah.
her dreams and go for her goals.
Okay, well that's nice because I remember when y'all was in Barbados, remember you used to call me and show me that she was on online school. So I know
Yeah.
you're telling the truth. So
Yeah, we ain't have to lie about that.
I just want to wish you the best. I will continue supporting you
Thank
and
you.
watching you. You know I love you always. So don't forget to message me. And
All
I
right.
pray God give you a breakthrough and you continue to make it through. I love you, baby. Mwah.
Love you in Jesus' name. Love you,
You
baby.
take
Thank
me
you so
down.
much.
Yeah. All right. So to the person in the comment section, the reason why I turned off the comment just now is because I don't appreciate the negative comments that you can
Doug, they
answer.
can bless up the live, Turn on back the comment section. Them can bless up the live and top up the screen.
No, the
We have a lot
reason,
of people here
yeah, and the
passing
reason why I
through.
turned it off just now, they were laughing about Zoe and they were mentioning about Zoe again, and I didn't appreciate that. That's why I took it off.
I understand.
Yeah.
If you want at that time to, you can do your sub, right?
I can sub the chat, but you can sub it.
Okay, all right. Just make we move on, man. People, I
Yeah.
want them to ask the question, but they
Yeah.
might be disrespectful. You have all right to lock down the comment section. Right?
All right.
But I think
So
they need to tap up the screen a little bit more.
yeah.
Thank you, baby. Thank you so much for the gift. And bless up the live.
All right. So the next person I gotta ask questions, I believe, is with Vitas. Morning.
I do.
Hi.
Oh, yeah. This is a girl from Papi. How are you doing?
Hi, good morning. I'm doing okay.
Your real boyfriend from Papi. He's not in Jamaica. You know.
What she say?
Your friend from Papi, she's not in Jamaica now.
What go on?
Yeah, you good?
Yeah, my good baby.
What's up yourself,
You
girl?
fly out for me.
Remember some you did that when we fly out? Alright, let me tell you. Sorry, girlfriend.